I've tested over 200 AI tools, and let me tell you, most of them were, well, let's just say they belonged in the digital trash bin. But a few, they were absolute game changers. Tools that made me stop, stare at my screen, and say, wait, this just replaced an entire team. So in today's video, we're diving into the best of the best AI tools of 2025, the ones that actually save you time, boost your productivity, and feel like magic. From mind-blowing automation to human-like voices, and even AI that thinks for you, these are the tools you'll wish you discovered sooner. So buckle up and let's dive right in.
1. Wispr Flow. Talk your workflow into existence. Imagine you could literally speak your tasks into existence. No coding, no workflow diagrams, no endless configuration. That's Wispr Flow. It's like the ChatGPT of automation. You tell it what you want, and it builds complex workflows that connect your favorite tools like Notion, Slack, and Google Drive, all just from natural language. Example, you can say, every time I upload a file to Google Drive, summarize it in Notion, and send me an email digest every Friday. And Wispr Flow sets that up instantly. The beauty is in how intuitive it feels. Unlike Zapier or Makecom, which require you to drag, drop, and pray you set the triggers right, Wispr just understands you. If productivity had a voice, this would be it. 2. 11 Labs, the most human AI voice on Earth. This tool honestly needs no introduction. 11 Labs is the reason half the AI videos you hear online sound like they were recorded in a professional studio. It's not just text-to-speech, it's emotion-to-speech. 11 Labs captures subtle tones, pacing, and personality in ways that make you forget it's AI. You can clone your own voice, yes, seriously, generate voices in multiple languages, add emotional expressions, calm, angry, excited, you name it. Content creators use it for narration, podcasts, and audiobooks. Businesses use it for training videos. Developers use it to give apps a voice. It's one of those rare tools that instantly upgrades your content quality overnight. If you want your videos to sound premium without hiring a voice actor, 11 Labs is the move.
3. ChatGPT Voice Mode. Conversations that feel real. This one blew my mind. ChatGPT Voice Mode is like having a human conversation with artificial intelligence. No typing, no lag, just a fluid, natural chat. You can brainstorm ideas, discuss creative projects, or even get feedback in real time. It reacts to tone, pace, and context. It feels alive. I've used it while walking, cooking, and even while brainstorming YouTube video ideas. It's like having an assistant that never sleeps. It's not just a voice feature, it's a full experience. It turns ChatGPT from a chatbot into a genuine conversation partner. And if you're a creator, you can literally use it to write, edit, and review your scripts by voice, all hands-free.
4. Claude Projects, the organized genius of AI. Claude Projects takes everything we love about Anthropic's Claude and turns it into a productivity hub. Think of it like ChatGPT mixed with Notion. You can organize your prompts, save AI responses, and manage large research documents all in one clean workspace. Claude handles massive documents with ease. We're talking PDFs, spreadsheets, 100-page reports, and can summarize, analyze, or rewrite them faster than you can blink. It's perfect for researchers, writers, and teams that rely on structured collaboration. What I love is that Claude remembers context beautifully, making it ideal for long-term projects where ChatGPT's thread limit might slow you down.
5. Notion AI, your second brain just got smarter. If you're already using Notion, adding Notion AI is like giving your brain an upgrade. It writes notes, creates meeting summaries, brainstorms blog ideas, and even generates databases automatically. You can ask it to summarize a meeting, generate a to-do list from your notes, or rewrite text in a specific tone. The magic here is that it doesn't feel like a separate AI app. It's baked into your daily workflow.
For creators, students, or small business owners, Notion AI is a must-have for staying organized and efficient without ever leaving your dashboard. 6. Google Nano Banana Gemini AI. The weirdest name, but an incredible tool. Google Nano Banana Gemini is Google's lightweight AI assistant designed to integrate directly into your daily apps like Gmail, Docs, and Drive. It's super fast, context-aware, and great for summarizing long emails, drafting documents, or generating creative ideas. It's basically like having Google's brain working for you behind the scenes. The best part? It's optimized for speed and privacy and integrates perfectly with the entire Google ecosystem.
7. Zapier, the classic king of automation. Still undefeated in 2025, Zapier is the OG automation platform that connects over 5,000 apps. You can automate practically anything, send emails, move files, post to social media, all without touching code. But here's the kicker. With its new AI Actions update, you can now use natural language to build zaps. So instead of if this, then that logic, you just say, when I get a new YouTube comment, save it to Notion and reply with a thank you. Zapier's AI does the rest. It's automation made effortless. 8. Make.com, the visual builder for complex workflows. If Zapier is simple and fast, Make.com is deep and powerful. This tool gives you a visual interface where you can design multi-step automations that connect apps, data, and APIs in beautiful flowcharts. Think of it as automation for power users. You can control timing, filters, and data structures visually. And now with AI integrations, Make can auto-suggest the best way to connect your tools for ultimate efficiency. It's the perfect playground for creative automation nerds.
9. N8N, open source automation magic. If you love freedom and customization, N8N is your dream tool. Unlike Zapier and Make, N8N is open source, meaning you can host it yourself and build unlimited workflows without the price tag. It's insanely powerful for developers, but also user-friendly for regular people. You can connect APIs, automate systems, and even add AI triggers that analyze and decide before acting. For teams that want complete control and privacy, N8N wins every time. 10. Relay.app, AI-driven team automation. Relay is the Zapier for teams. It helps automate collaboration across departments, handling reminders, approvals, and handoffs automatically. It uses natural language understanding to delegate tasks intelligently, not just when an event happens, but when it makes sense. Relay shines for businesses that want smoother workflow coordination without drowning in Slack messages.
11. Gumloop, build workflows in seconds with AI. Gumloop feels like Make.com and ChatGPT combined. You simply describe what you want, collect all my YouTube analytics weekly, and send them in a Slack report. And it instantly builds that workflow visually. It's ridiculously fast, intuitive, and great for creators, marketers, and startups who don't have time to fiddle with complex setups. 12. Anthropic Prompt Generator. Supercharge your AI prompts. Most people underestimate how powerful prompts can be. They're literally the language that AI understands. And if you've ever stared at ChatGPT or Claude wondering, how do I ask this the right way? Then Anthropic's prompt generator will blow your mind. This tool helps you craft, refine, and optimize prompts that get the best possible AI results. You type your rough idea, and it gives you a polished, structured version with variables, clarity, and reasoning suggestions. It's like Grammarly, but for AI commands. Whether you're a developer, writer, or just experimenting with AI, this tool helps you unlock the true intelligence of models like Claude and GPT. And trust me, once you learn the art of prompting, your AI outputs become 10x more powerful. 13. Firecrawl, turn any website into data instantly. This one is just pure wizardry. FireCrawl lets you crawl, extract, and summarize entire websites or documents using AI. No coding required. Let's say you find a 50-page research site or a competitor's blog. Instead of reading it all, FireCrawl scans every page, summarizes the content, and gives you structured data instantly. It's an absolute dream for researchers, marketers, and SEO experts. I've used it to pull summaries from product sites, Reddit threads, and blog archives, and it saves hours every single time. You can even integrate FireCrawl into automation tools like N8N or Make.com to auto-scan and summarize new pages every week. Basically, it's your personal AI web crawler that never gets tired. 14. Lindy, your AI executive assistant. Meet Lindy, your new digital coworker. This tool is an AI assistant that manages your tasks, meetings, and emails just like a real executive assistant. What sets Lindy apart is its initiative. It doesn't just respond, it anticipates. If you get an email about a meeting, Lindy can automatically schedule it, check conflicts, and even draft polite responses. It integrates seamlessly with Google Calendar, Slack, and Notion. You can literally say, "Lindy, schedule a meeting with Alex next week," and send him the latest report. And it just happens. It's like having your own personal assistant that never forgets, never complains, and always knows your schedule better than you do. 15. Relevance AI, data intelligence on steroids. Relevance AI is built for teams that deal with data, lots of it. It uses machine learning to analyze, cluster, and visualize massive data sets automatically. Instead of staring at spreadsheets all day, Relevance AI transforms raw data into insights, identifying trends, patterns, and anomalies you'd probably miss. It's used by researchers, analysts, and even marketing teams to make smarter decisions. And with its AI-driven dashboards, you don't just see numbers, you see stories. It's like having a data scientist in your browser 24/7. 16. Google AI Studio, where ideas meet intelligence. This one's a powerhouse. Google AI Studio lets you experiment with large language models, build prompts, and create prototypes, all in a user-friendly environment. It's where developers and creators can test ideas using Google's Gemini models, fine-tune responses, and export them directly into apps or chatbots. If you're a builder or entrepreneur, this is where you take an idea from concept to working demo without needing a huge engineering team. Google AI Studio is basically the playground where innovation begins. 17. AirTop, AI that personalizes your web. AirTop is one of those AI tools that quietly changes how you browse the internet. It learns what you read, what you search, and what you skip, then reorganizes your online world to fit you. Think of it as your personalized digital dashboard, powered by AI. You can connect your favorite tools, track goals, monitor trends, and even let it suggest new content based on your focus areas. It's especially great for researchers, students, or creators who need one place to keep track of their digital life. AirTop isn't just smart, it's adaptively intelligent. 18. Zite, the AI that curates your information stream. If you ever feel overwhelmed by content, emails, articles, newsletters, Zite is your lifesaver. It uses machine learning to curate only the most relevant information for you. You tell it what topics or industries you care about, and Zite creates a personalized knowledge feed that learns from your interactions. It's like having an AI research assistant filtering the noise of the internet. Whether you're tracking business trends, new AI tools, or market updates, Zite keeps you informed without burning your brain out. 19. Airtable AI, data meets intelligence. Airtable AI turns your spreadsheets into a full-on AI command center. You can summarize data, predict outcomes, and automate responses directly inside your Airtable workspace. For instance, you can type "summarize customer feedback for this quarter" and generate a sentiment report, and Airtable AI handles it instantly. It's especially powerful for teams managing operations, CRM, or content pipelines because it combines human-readable data with machine intelligence in one elegant interface. 20. Circle back. Never forget a contact again. You know that awkward moment when you forget someone's name from an old meeting? Yeah, Circle Back fixes that. It automatically scans your emails, calendars, and messages to build an updated contact list with context: who they are, when you last spoke, and what you talked about. It's like your personal CRM, but way smarter and more human. For sales teams, networkers, or creators juggling tons of collaborations, Circleback ensures you never lose touch again. Number 21. Adio, the modern AI CRM. Adio takes the concept of customer relationship management and makes it actually enjoyable. It's fast, flexible, and powered by AI to surface insights automatically, like who's most engaged, which deals are at risk, or what your next follow-up should be. Unlike traditional CRMs, Adio adapts to your workflow instead of forcing you into rigid templates. With AI summaries and auto-tagging, you can spend less time organizing and more time building relationships. 22. Clay. Build deep connections with AI. Clay is another brilliant relationship tool, but with a personal twist. It combines all your contacts from Gmail, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Calendar and uses AI to keep track of who matters most. It reminds you of birthdays, last conversations, and even suggests thoughtful follow-ups. It's perfect for creators, entrepreneurs, or anyone who wants to maintain genuine human connections in a digital world. Clay isn't just data, it's empathy, powered by AI. 23. Cassidy.ai, your AI sales and communication wingman. If you're in sales, Cassidy.ai might just become your new best friend. It automates lead research, crafts personalized outreach messages, and helps manage conversations intelligently. Cassidy doesn't send robotic spam. It studies your tone, adapts to your audience, and makes your outreach feel human. The result? More responses, better connections, and way less manual work. It's like having a virtual sales assistant that actually understands people. Number 24. Super. Your AI workspace for everything. Last but definitely not least, meet Super, an all-in-one AI workspace that helps you manage tasks, notes, documents, and automations in one clean hub. It combines the simplicity of Notion with the brains of ChatGPT. You can brainstorm ideas, plan projects, assign tasks, and even generate reports automatically. The interface is clean, fast, and distraction-free. It feels like your mind, but organized. Whether you're a solo creator or managing a team, Super is the ultimate AI companion to bring structure to your chaos.
And there you have it, the best of the best out of 200 AI tools tested. These aren't hype products. They're real tools that can make your workflows smarter, your life simpler, and your projects faster. If you found something new today, drop a comment below and tell me which tool impressed you the most. And if you want me to do a part 2, featuring even crazier AI tools that are about to drop in 2026, smash that like button and subscribe for more deep AI breakdowns. Because remember, AI doesn't replace people, it replaces wasted time. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and stay supercharged.